Hello, my name is Vlad and welcome to Plumbing Test Show, and today we will test that Delta faucet model you can see below. We have here, we have Delta brush nickel faucet, we have sprayer, what we doesn't use, we have weight, and we have instruction. And actually you don't have any information here how to install customer service or something like that, just phone number. Okay. And for install Delta faucet you need just screwdriver and crescent wrench. It's all what you need for install that kitchen faucet. And right now I'm put timer and let's see how many minutes I need to install that faucet. Being in a dream. Okay, done. Faucet installed in tie, doesn't lose, and it's take. And right now we install it kitchen faucet and we're ready to test it on hydroget. And we found weak spot that faucet and its connection between cartridge and sprayer. That spout is have problem and disconnected. And right now let's see what happened when we turn it off the cartridge and turn on jetter.
Trying to figure it out, but it seems like now that you know that it's whatever you want to do, some options. That's what we like. How do you feel?
Water running. let's see what weak spot we have on this Delta faucet. Okay, and what we have, faucet cartridge is completely broken and we have like crunch sounds here, and when we put like more than 1000 psi pressure, its water starts running from over here, and same water starts running from over here, and we have weak spotted disconnected, this line been disconnected too over here, and problem because we have leaking cartridge and water from cartridge going inside the faucet, and it's like weak spot because if your faucet be old and something happen, you cannot see here, but water will be running inside the cabinets, kitchen cabinets, and you never know that before you open it.